Shocking. CryptoRus revealed shocking news for Cardano ADA. Recently, crypto influencer CryptoRus explained in particular why Cardano ADA has great potential. In a video released on YouTube channel CryptoRus, he told the channel's over 420,000 subscribers that Cardano ADA has great potential after Cardano leapfrogs Bitcoin as eToro's client's most held cryptocurrency. Today we're going to talk about all what CryptoRus just said about Cardano. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 9th of August, shall we? Cardano price is currently experiencing a tussle between the bulls and bears as it enters a crucial supply zone. Therefore, investors can expect a minor pullback before the bulls make a comeback. Cardano price at an inflection point. Cardano price rallied roughly 18% from its August 3rd swing low at $1.26 to set up a swing high at $1.48. While this uptrend was expected, the momentum reversal indicator, MRI, flashed a sell signal in the form of a red 1 candlestick on the 12-hour chart. This technical formation forecasts a 1 to 4 candlestick correction. Therefore, investors can expect ADA to pull back shortly. The $1.374 support level is the most likely candidate to absorb the selling pressure from the correction, but in some cases, a breach of this level could extend the retracement to $1.304, the trading range's midpoint. This move would represent a 10% downswing from the current position, $1.46. While an upswing might likely originate from $1.304, a failure to do so might turn the situation grim and push Cardano price down to $1.251. This development will favor the bears, but the bearish thesis might face invalidation if the bulls ignore the sell signals and push through $1.5. A decisive 12-hour candlestick close that flips $1.5 level into a support barrier will invalidate the pullback narrative and restart the uptrend. In such a case, ADA might rally to the next significant level, $1.61. Now let's get back to the topic. CryptoRus mentioned the news about the Cardano that it leapfrogs Bitcoin as eToro client's most held cryptocurrency. Investors are showing signs of becoming increasingly confident in the potential of smaller cryptocurrencies, despite this quarter's market correction, with new eToro data revealing increases in the number of cryptoassets being held during the last quarter, Q2. Perhaps surprisingly, Cardano's ADA has leapfrogged Bitcoin to become the most held in the second quarter of 2021, seeing a 51% increase on the previous quarter. Bitcoin, which led the crypto asset bull run at the start of the year, remained popular with a 42% increase in demand. However, it was eclipsed by ADA and slipped from first to second place. Simon Peters, crypto market analyst at eToro, said the growth and use case potential for Cardano's native ADA token has clearly provided plenty of attraction for investors. During Q2, Cardano provided a clearer roadmap for its upcoming Alonzo hard fork, currently in a testing phase, he said. If successful, it will bring smart contract functionality by allowing the writing and deployment of smart contracts for the first time on the Cardano blockchain. This upgrade will be significant as it will enable developers to build projects on the network, helping Cardano to position itself as a real competitor to the likes of Ethereum. The price of ADA climbed 15% over the last quarter, suggesting investor optimism around the Alonzo hard fork and Cardano's ability to challenge Ethereum long-term. Ethereum, which has seen a 220% price rise so far this year, also gained in popularity with a 79% increase in investors holding the asset. This is ahead of the highly anticipated London hard fork, slated for later this month, which will see increased functionality added to the network and preparation for the Serenity ETH 2.0 upgrade scheduled for next year. It will also see the EIP 1559 update which will change how gas fees are paid on Ethereum 1.0 going forward. This will see base fees adjusted to market rates, with the option of speeding up transactions by tipping miners. Crypto assets have had an exciting year, with big milestones achieved in terms of price movements and increased institutional investment, signaling more adoption by the traditional financial services ecosystem, added Simon Peters. This emerging asset class continues to revolutionize many aspects of financial services, and the long-term fundamentals remain strong. However, as we've seen over the past few months, there will be bumps along the way, and we expect volatility to continue. We've seen issues such as energy usage becoming major talking points, and the next few months will likely see more exciting developments. We may well see a greater proportion of renewable energy sources supporting miners and other countries taking China's place as the leading asset miner following its recent ban. No matter the headlines, we urge retail investors to be mindful of the risks when investing in crypto and to do their research before investing. Investors diversifying in the search for the next Bitcoin. Despite attention mainly focusing on the crypto assets with the largest market caps, the biggest moves in Q2 came from smaller crypto assets, with Tron, TRX, and Ethereum Classic, ETC, leading the charge. Tron TRX, in particular, saw impressive gains, with a 163% increase in global users holding the asset in Q2 compared to Q1 of this year, and Ethereum Classic saw a 151% rise quarter-on-quarter, alongside a 247% year-on-year gain. Rather than focus solely on Bitcoin and Ether, where many investors can only own a fraction of a coin, we're seeing increasing demand for lower-priced coins, explained Mr. Peters. With owning one Bitcoin out of reach for most retail investors, many are looking for cheaper alternatives like ADA, MIOTA, and TRX, all of which are priced around $1. With staking rewards available on eToro for Tron and Cardano, investors are now able to reap rewards for holding these assets long-term, which is helping to drive demand. The emergence and increasing popularity of altcoins means the crypto ecosystem is becoming stronger, with greater diversity and more use cases. It's great to see investors looking beyond store of value and opening up their portfolios to assets they believe will not only help hedge against growing issues such as inflation, but provide solutions other assets might be encountering. Is Cardano a good long-term investment? Cardano made historical highs and came third place after Bitcoin and behind Ethereum in terms of market capitalization among cryptocurrencies. Cardano is building up, and this can only mean one thing for the price of ADA, a new all-time high. Cardano is a perfect example of a growing project you should consider if you want to go long-term on your crypto investment. ADA is stable and growing. At its current region of $1 and $1.2, it's relatively stable, and this is why experts believe that once the coin reaches a new price point, it's very unlikely to fall, and would continue to build up following an upward trend. Cardano is surging in popularity and adoption, in part because of its efficient POS mining mechanism that limits its carbon footprint. If the network works further towards sustainability, then it might attract environment-conscious investors. One of the highest market caps and a massive amount of trade every day shows Cardano is popular with cryptocurrency lovers. Despite periodical price declines, the 4-year history indicates steady development of the value of the coin. Many partners support the long-term growth potential of Cardano. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.